Numbers. This is the first chapter of mathematics textbook, grade 1. Number patterns is the topic for today's lesson. This is the second lesson of the week and the topic is number patterns. The objectives are to complete the missing numbers according to number patterns and to complete the number sequence. Alright children, let's start our lesson with mental starter. This is a very simple activity, but you have to follow the given instructions very carefully. The first question is add 2 to the following numbers. The 2-digit numbers are given in the first row with the place value identified at the top of each digit as units and tens. Remember children that whenever you are adding one digit, one single number to the given number, the place value will change at units place. You will add 2 at units place in the given numbers of the first row. In this way, 72 will turn to be 74, 37 as 39 and 12 to be 14. Coming towards the next question, add 10 more to the following numbers and the 3-digit numbers are given in the second row. If you see carefully, the place values are identified at the top of each digit. Remember students that whenever you are adding 110 to the given number, the place value will change at tens place only. In this way, 172 will become 182 because we are adding 110s to the given number. Similarly, 437 will become 447 and 512 will turn to be 522. Carrying on the lesson with mental starter, answer the following by recalling the place value. You know very well about the place value starting from units, then tens and moving towards the hundreds because these are 3-digit numbers. If you look at the first row of numbers, this is 122, 332 and 782. Children, during the previous activity, you added up 1 and 10 to the given numbers. But this time we are going to subtract 1 or 10 from the given numbers. Starting from subtraction of 1 from the given numbers. Let's start. For the number 122, first of all identify the unit. In the same way as you did the addition, the place value will change at units place when we are going to subtract 1 from the given number. In this way, 122 will turn to be 121, 332 to be 331 and 782 to be 781. Similarly, if we are going to subtract 10 from this given number, 110 from the given number, the place value is going to change at tens place only. In this way, 122 will become 112, 332 will become 322 and 782 will be 772. Alright students, let's move towards the next part of the lesson, that is main activity. The previous practice of adding and subtracting numbers will help you to form and to follow the given number patterns over here. Starting from the first part of the question, you have to add 2 more to the given numbers. Let's start 51, 53, 55. Add 2 more to 55 and we will get, yes, 57. Next to it comes 59 and then 61, 63. Similarly, 3 more then 70, 73. Add 3 more to 73. Yes, it will become 76 and then 79 and afterwards 82. 5 more then. Very simple. 10, 15, 20. Yes, 25, 30 and 35. This is very important to follow the given instructions to have an accurate number pattern. Let's move towards the last part of the question, 10 more then. So very simple. 30, 40 and then 50, 60, yes, 70 and then 80. Correct? Now comes the most interesting part of the lesson, that is watching the video. You will really enjoy it, but don't forget to note down the main points and to relate it with the details done so far. So let's start with the video.
What are the missing numbers? 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. 10 plus 1 is 11. 11 plus 1 is 12. In each step, the numbers go up by 1. The missing numbers are 10 and 12. What are the missing numbers? 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. In each step, the numbers are going up by 2. 12 plus 2 is 14. 14 plus 2 is 16. The missing numbers are 14 and 16. What are the missing numbers? 14 minus 2 is 12. 12 minus 2 is 10. In each step, the numbers are going down by 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. 6 minus 2 is 4. The missing numbers are 8 and 4. What are the missing numbers? 17 minus 1 is 16. 16 minus 1 is 15. In each step, the numbers go down by 1. 20 minus 1 is 19. 19 minus 1 is 18. The missing numbers are 19 and 18.
Alright, hope you enjoyed the video, and the activities done so far and the video you watched will definitely help you to accomplish the given written task. This is page number 30 of mathematics textbook and the topic is number patterns. I am sure that you can do it independently. Coming towards the wrap-up session of the lesson, this is the question taken from page number 30 of mathematics textbook. Filling the boxes with the correct numbers. Yes, you have to follow the given instructions. Part A. The number 1 more than 91. Yes, you have to add 1 to 91. Yes, answer is 92. The number 2 less than 47. You have to count backwards. Yes. The answer is 45. Correct. The number 2 more than 50. Yes, more than means you have to add up. Add 2 to 50 and it will become, yes, 52. Part D, the number 10 more than 66. Yes, add 10 more to 66. It will become 76. Last part is the number 10 less than 99 is, yes, you have to subtract. Less than means you have to subtract. You know so very well. So 99 will become, yes, 89. Good job. Alright students, let's move towards the reinforcement task which will be done as homework. This is page number 35 of mathematics textbook and you have to do it independently. Moving on with the reinforcement task, students, you have to revise the spellings of 1 to 10. For the numbers 1 to 10, you need to revise the spellings. Still with reinforcement task, children, you need to revise the spellings from 11 to 20 as well. This is not at all difficult and it will help you for the upcoming lesson as well. Stay safe and study well.